Kisumu will have a fully fledged port in 24 months once construction operations kick off. The once vibrant port had stagnated due to the hyacinth menace and a shallow depth bay. But as Laura Otieno reports, the launching of a 4,000-ton dredger is the first step towards reviving water transport in Lake Victoria.
Making its way through the weed-carpeted water, the 70-meter-long dredger acquired from Uganda's Metre group docked at the Kisumu pier yesterday, making the first day of a 10-year partnership between the Kenyan and Ugandan governments in a meticulous plan to revive water transport. The dredger is expected to undertake a silt removal expedition to increase the lake's depth to the requisite minimum 8 meters to allow bigger vessels to dock. It will also dig up a 63-meter-long and 80-meter-wide canal from Kisumu to Mbita in what Kenya Ports Authority say is a revival strategy for 7 other ports from across the Strip. Speaking during the official launch of the dredger at the Kisumu pier today, Uganda's ruling party chairman Mike Mukula expressed his confidence in strengthening trade ties between Kenya and Uganda.
The Kenya Railways, together with Uganda Railways, can now continue to trade and to use the Kenya ports under the Kenya Ports Authority to move cargo, goods, people and services.
On his part, Africa Union's High Representative for Infrastructure Development Raila insisted on the need for coexistence among the two countries to foster free trade and transport that would benefit the entire region.
Why should Kenya be following with Uganda over a piece of rock in the lake called Mbita? We want to have a cleaner, proper relationship with our neighbors Uganda.
Aquatic weed removers are expected in Kenya by March, after which the construction will commence. Once complete, the rehabilitated port will accommodate 11 ships and 4,000 shipping containers. Laura Otieno, Citizen TV, Kisumu.